Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry Rujov and you are watching the fifth part of the video school Drums Step by Step. In this part, we will combine the rhythms we have already learned with an ostinato dotted rhythmic pattern in the right hand, playing on the hi-hat and ride. We will also use various variations with opening the hi-hat and playing the left foot on the hi-hat. The rhythmic pattern is ostinato. On which our rhythm will be layered. I remind you that you can purchase all parts of the video school on the website DDrums.ru. Good luck to everyone and bye.